Speed. It's what Swift's cable tray is all about. And with the new Swiftclip, the system that set the industry standard is about to get faster. Drawing on Legrand's world-leading heritage in cable management, Swiftclip seamlessly connects lengths and fittings within the existing system. Its flexible, time-saving features make light work of any installation and make it 4 times faster to fit. Earth continuity compliant without the use of additional components. Swiftclip secures lengths and fittings to a range of supports with uncompromised strength, whether fitted inside or outside. So, your installation will stand the test of time, which all goes to show how the new Swiftclip makes Legrand's leading cable tray system even faster to fit. The new Swiftclip from Legrand. Clip if you want to go faster.